In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $3,000 on Digistore 24 as a complete beginner. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. The trick here is creating a news website that looks like this. As you can see, this website looks legit, as most people tend to trust a news website. All right. So once people come over to your website, they are going to see a couple of posts like this. And if I take this post here as an example, so you can see this is a post right here that looks like a normal posting from a news website. And if I come over to any of these posts, you can see there are hyperlinks on this post. And now if I take this link here as an example, it's going to take me to my money page. So once people come over to my money page, which is this one right here saying over 18,000 people have made money from this product. All right, so if I click on this link, as you can see right here, it's going to take me to this Digistore 24 product. And once people come over to this page, if they purchase this product, I make money. So if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to go over to digistore24.com to create an account if you don't have one already. All you simply need to do is to click on the register now button, and it's going to bring you to this page where you simply need to enter your basic information and you can create your account right away. Once your account is created, you want to make sure to come over to where it says marketplace, as this is where you are going to have access to choose any product on Digistore 24 to start promoting right away. So now you want to pick a product to promote, and to do that, you can simply choose any product on the home page. As you can see, this product have high payout and you can start making money promoting this product. But what I really like to do is to come over to where it says digital products, and once you come over here, you're going to see various categories of products that you can promote on Digistore 24. So for me, I am going to take personal development as an example. So if I click on personal development, as you can see, there are a lot of products available under this category alone that I can start promoting and start earning money. So I'm going to take this product here as an example, Billionaire Brainwave. You're going to be making $41.46 for everyone who purchased this product. So once you've chosen a product to promote, then you want to head over to blogger.com. So if you come over to blogger.com, all you simply need to do from here is to click on create your blog. So once you do this, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail account. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to give your website a title. So for me, I am going to take Mindscope as an example, but you can use any name of your choice. So once you do this, then you want to click on next. And here you want to type in an address for your website. So for me, I'm going to type in mindscopenews.blogspot.com. So once you do this, you want to then click on save. So once you do this, as you can see, our blog has been created. So the next thing you want to then do from here is to come over to themes, and you want to click on this drop arrow button. So once you click on this, then you want to click on restore. If you click on restore, then you want to click on upload. So I'm going to share a folder in the description. So all you need to do is to open that folder, and you want to make sure to click on this free.xml. So once you click on this free.xml, you want to then click on open. So once you click on open, as you can see, it's going to say restoring theme. So once you see that, it's going to say theme restored. And now once you do this, you want to click on this button and open your blog in a new tab. So once you do that, as you can see, this is what your blog is going to look like. It's absolutely empty and there's nothing in your blog. So now the next thing you want to do is to go back to your Digistore 24 account, and you want to come over to where it says affiliate support page. So once you come over to the affiliate support page of the product, usually most of the time, a lot of product will give you email swipes that you can use to promote their product. But in our case, we are going to be converting these email swipes to posts that we can post on our Blogger website. I hope this makes sense. So once you come over here, you want to then click on email swipes. You are going to see emails that you can use to promote this product. So all you simply need to do from here is to simply copy the title of the email. So once you copy the title of the email, you want to then go back to your Blogger account. So once you come over to your Blogger account, you want to click on this section that says new post. So once you click on this new post, all you simply need to do from here is to paste in the title right here. Okay, so here we are going to change this from watch to read. Okay, so once you do this, then you want to go back to the email and you want to copy the body of the email. So all you simply need to do is to simply copy and paste. All right, so I'm going to copy this and then I am just going to paste it right here. As you can see, this is going to serve as our first post on our website. So all I simply need to do from here is to then click on publish, and you want to click on confirm. So if I do this, if I go back to our website and if I refresh the website, as you can see, we now have our first post on our website. So now you want to add one more post to your website, and you want to basically go back to the email swipe and you want to basically copy and paste another email to your Blogger website. So I'm going to take this email here as an example. So all I need to do is to copy the title of this email, and you want to go back to your Blogger account and you want to click on new post. So if you click on new post, this is where we are going to be adding the second post. And now you want to go back, you want to copy the body of this email. As you can see, this post does not have any image. So what you simply need to do from here is to look at the title of that email, and you can see this email says billionaires are spending money just to hide this information from you. So all you simply need to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in billionaires. You're going to see images you can use. As you can see, this is the one I use right here. All you just simply need to do is to click on the image, and you want to right click and you want to make sure to copy the image address. So once you copy the image address, you want to go back to your post and you want to click on insert image. So once you click on insert image, then you want to click on by URL. So once you do that, then you want to paste in the image address you just copied and you want to click on select. So once you add the image, you want to make sure to crop the image. All right, something like this. So once you add the image, all you simply need to do from here is to click on publish and you want to click on confirm. So if I come back to our website and I refresh our website, as you can see, we now have 2 posts added to our website. So this is enough. And now the final page we are going to be adding now is our money page. All you simply need to do is to go to your Blogger account and you want to scroll down to where it says pages. So if you scroll down to where it says pages, you want to click on create new page. So once you create this new page, you want to go back to the email list, and here you want to copy the final email that you are going to be using to promote this product. So for me, I am going to be using this one to promote this product. So once I copy the title of this email, all I need to do is to paste in the email title right here. And now you want to copy the content of this email. So once you paste in the body of this email right here, you want to then go over to your Digistore 24 account. And here you want to click on where it says promote now. So once you do this, you want to copy your affiliate link. You want to highlight this section right here that are already in blue, and you want to click on insert link. So here, this is where you're going to be pasting your affiliate link from Digistore 24, and you want to click on apply. So you want to do this for every section. You see this blue highlight. You want to make sure to click on insert link, and you want to paste that affiliate link right there. All right, so once you've done everything and everything looks good, all you simply need to do from here is to then click on publish and you want to click on confirm. All right, so once you do this, the final thing you want to do from here is to copy the link to this page. So you want to click on the share button, and once you click on the share button, you want to click on copy link. Okay, so once you copy the link, you want to go back to the post section and you want to go back to the first 2 posts you made on your Blogger website, and you want to edit this post. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So once you come back to the post, you are going to see there are a couple of places that are highlighted in blue like this. So you want to highlight the blue sections and you want to click on insert link. And this is where you want to insert the page you just made on your account. I hope this makes sense. Okay, you want to insert the page and not the affiliate link. So once you paste in this page, you want to scroll down to the other sections that are in blue and you want to repeat the same thing. So once you've done everything and everything looks good, all you just need to do now is to click on update. Okay, so once you do this, you want to do this for the second post as well. So now if we go back to our website, if I refresh the page, so now we are going to be promoting this website. And now once people come over to this page, they will click on either of these posts. So if I take this first one here as an example, which says billionaires are spending money just to hide this information from you. All right, so once people come over to this page, as you can see, it looks like a news website. And if they scroll down and read through the content, and if they see this section that says, but there are scientists that discovered the 7-minute at-home ritual that attract money to you. So once people click on this, it's going to take them to this page. All right, so once you take them to this money page, And now if people click on this 7-minute song again, it's then going to bring them to our landing page. And when they purchase this product, you make money. I hope this makes sense. So we are going to be using Facebook to drive traffic and make money promoting this product. So all you simply need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in keywords like self-development. You want to make sure to filter to groups. So I'm going to put up a list of keywords that you can use to target people who are interested in this product. All right. So once you do that, you're going to see a lot of Facebook groups that you can join and start promoting this product and start making money. As you can see, a lot of these groups have thousands of members, and all you simply need to do is to create Facebook accounts, and you want to join 5 to 10 Facebook groups per account. So once you join any of the Facebook groups, as you can see, this one has 23,000 members, and you can see this is a very active Facebook group, and you can see there are a lot of people on this Facebook group. As you can see, this person is promoting their product right here. So the next thing you want to then do from here, before you promote your website on this Facebook group, you want to go over to Chat GPT. So once you come over to Chat GPT, you want to type in, give me 10 self-development quotes. You can use any number of your choice. This is up to you. So I'm going to take this first quote as an example. So once you copy the quote, you want to then go back to your Blogger website and you want to copy any post from your website. All right. So I'm going to take this first post as an example. So if I copy this post that I made, all I simply need to do is to paste in the post right here like this. So once you made that post, as you can see, Facebook is going to automatically show a thumbnail from your website. And most people are going to think this post is related to this news website. And once you click on post, as you can see just now, this post has been published to this group successfully. So as you can see, once people see this quote, they are going to think this news website is related to this post. And like I said, once people then click on this website to get more information on this post, they will be taken to our website, as you can see right here. And once they read through this website, they are going to think this is a news website. And now they are going to see this link that is talking about 7-minute ritual that people use to make money, and billionaires are hiding this information. All right. And once they do that, it's going to bring people to this money page, which serves as our landing page. And now once they click on this 7-minute song, it's going to then take them to our landing page, where if they purchase the product, you will be making money in passive income. For each post you make, you want to make sure to use a different quote so that Facebook spam filter does not mark you as a spammer. All right. So if you do this, you're going to get your post approved, as most Facebook moderators are going to see this website as a news website and not a promotional page.